Hi everybody. So what can you make with a digital postcard kit from Dearjuliejulie? Well, I'm going to just show you a couple of things really quickly that I have right here, and one of them is this little flip. It's actually just a little booklet. It's not really a flip book because I didn't put any flips in it. But this is made using the Antique Beach Beauties digital kit. There is a video showing you how you can print these so that you have the different sizes. So this is one of the images from the Antique Beauties, Bathing Beauties digital kit, and this is the little book that I made. Here's another one of the images, some items from my stash, just like a ticket. Here's another one of the images. Here, these were all on one page, and I just cut this out and left it. There is the back of a postcard from the digital kit as well, and this one's a playing card, but this is from one of the digital kits, and I just made a pocket here on top of a heart. Another image from the kit, and this one here also. This also is using I think this is the Sweet physical. You can make the little purse. There's a kit to make 4 of these little purse note cards. They have pages and stuff in them usually, but I only have the covers made here. But these are some more of the images in the Antique Beauties. This is from one of the cards, but this one is in the Antique Bathing Beauties. There's also a pocket here. So that is something that you can make using them. Of course, you can also use them in a journal. So this is one of the images here. This is one of the images. This is in the Dearjuliejulie Paris kit. This whole page is one of the images. This is one of the images in the extra ephemera kit. This little paper clip is made using one of the images. So pocket here. This is a journaling card. Another journaling card using image from one of the kits. Here we have a belly band. This is also one of the images. I think this is from the ephemera kit. There's 2 Paris kits. This is a blown up page that is one of with the pocket on the side here. This is one of the blown up images in the Paris kit. So I just wanted to give you an idea of, I don't have any of my pocket letters right here, but I have made several pocket letters. Many of you probably have pocket letters that were made using my kits, because that's how I swap now, is using those. So this is a playing card. Here's another image from the ephemera kit here. This one is the music one, and it is printed at wallet size. So another one of that's the ephemera page. So if you're one of the winners of one of the Dearjuliejulie kits today in Swapper's Corner, this is one of 2 of the sets, because I'm using 2 kits here in this book. I have 2 Paris kits in my Etsy shop, Dearjuliejulie. So you know, this is one of the Christmas kits. It is the Cherished Children Christmas kit. It has 5 pages that you'll be able to use for Christmas. featuring Betsy McCall, and you say, oh my gosh, but she's so big. But you can print her in wallet size, and she's going to come down and be this size here. So very, very, very fun. That is that one. And then we also have the Santa Christmas kit. So it includes the journaling cards, the old Santa Claus music, the paper dolls, and then 7 fronts of postcards and the back. These are all of these postcards are part of my personal collection. I actually own all of these postcards. They are post-dated on the back with dates from the early 1900s, which is amazing and really, really cool. I'm going to take one quick look here and see if I can find. I had a mini pocket letter that I made and I can't find it. So anyway, that is, give you an idea. So this little booklet here is 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. So the old Santa Claus music with the sticker and the embellishment, or this one here using again the old Santa Claus music. Those are a way that you can be using the postcards in your Happy Mail paper crafting. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it gives you an idea of some fun things to do with your, especially if you win one of the Dearjuliejulie digital kits today in the birthday celebration at Swapper's Corner. Have an amazing day. Bye everybody. Bye-bye.